Good morning students, welcome back to online class. Hope you all are fine and relaxed in autumn break. Let us restart our study with chapter number 3, which is rational number as decimals. Do you remember how to write a fraction in decimal form? For example, we have a fraction 5 upon 10 and in decimal we write it as 0.5. Now for 13 upon 100 we write it as 0.13 and so on. So you know any fraction having denominator as 10 or power of 10. Power of 10 means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and so on can be easily represented in decimal form. यानी कि कोई भी फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर या तो 10 है या फिर 10 की पावर में है, हम उसको डेसिमल फॉर्म में इजीली रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Now let us proceed with example first. Convert 3 upon 4 in its decimal form. हमें 3 upon 4 है जो वो रैशनल नंबर गिवन है और इसको डेसिमल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो द मेथड इज बाय मेकिंग द डिनोमिनेटर इज पावर ऑफ 10. सो हमें डिनोमिनेटर को पावर ऑफ 10 बनाना है. ठीक है, सो दैट वी कैन ईजिली रिप्रेजेंट दिस नंबर इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. Now convert the denominator into 10 or power of 10. For this you know, if we multiply 4 by 25 we got 100 which is power of 10. So 3 upon 4 is equivalent to, when we multiply numerator and denominator by 25 we got 75 upon 100. And you know how we convert a rational number into equivalent rational number. You have already done this concept in chapter 1. Now 75 upon 100 is equal to 0.75 or we can write it as 0.75. You know, first of all we count the number of zeros, which is 2. Now we count the 2 digits from the right in the numerator, 1, 2, and then put a point to write any number in decimal form. So the answer is 0.75. In this way we can represent a rational number into decimal form. Now worksheet 1, question number 1 is express the following rational numbers as decimals. Part first is the given rational number is 9 upon 8. Now the question is, first of all we have to make the denominator 8 in power of 10. For this we multiply numerator and denominator by 125 because 125 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1000. So when we multiply numerator and denominator by 125 we got equivalent rational number as 1125 upon 1000, and in decimal form we write it as 1.125, which is required answer. Now one question arises in your mind: how we can find or calculate by which number we multiply the denominator so that we get the denominator as power of 10. मीन्स हम कैसे पता करेंगे कि हम डिनोमिनेटर को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें ताकि हमें जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो 10 की पावर में मिल जाए. So there is one trick to find this number. In this question, denominator is 8. See, denominator is 8. So first of all we find the prime factorization of denominator in rough work. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. It is prime factorization of 8. Now to get the denominator as power of 10, we must have same number of 2's and same number of 5's in the denominator. Now here 2 is 3 times, so we multiply the denominator by 3 times 5. यहाँ पे 2 3 times है तो हम डिनोमिनेटर को 3 times 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5, it is equal to 125, and you got the desired answer. And you can see in this question we multiply the numerator and denominator by 125. Now question number second is express 615 upon 125 into decimal form. So first of all we find prime factorization of 125 in rough work. 5 25, then 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Prime factorization is 3 times 5. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 times 2, and 3 times 2 is equals to 8. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by 8 and got the answer as 4920 upon 1000. And now the number in decimal form is equal to 4.920, or simply we can write it as 4.92. In this manner you can solve all the questions of worksheet 1. Thank you and have a nice day.